Hey, what's up, guys? I'm in my car. I'm out doing a couple things. I'm gonna head over to my girlfriend's house and then just hang out from there. Yeah, if you didn't check out those last videos, make sure you check them out. Every time I come over, he attacks me, and everything I try to grab, he steals it from me. Good boy. Boy.
And then...
Sorry.
Look at mine. I should look at my screen.
Maybe.
Teaching your girlfriend how to ripstick. Jamie, look.
What do you mean? When we were in... yeah, I flipped over on a bike. We're on our way back to the big hill.
Yeah. Danger do 19.
His channel is alright. I mean, I was on it a couple times.
Alright.
We're gonna try to record this going down the hill, but it's really dark.
Yeah.
What's my flash on? Yo. Oh man! Oh man! Oh man!
Awesome.
We just made it down the hill. Our
Our
ripsticks landed right here.
I almost fell if I jumped over yours.
Alright, where are we going?
Let's go over there.
We're going down a second time.
Yeah.
Last time was pretty cheesy, actually. We weren't going as fast as last night. Last night was pretty sketchy. Ooh. Oh man, I just hit a rock. What are you doing?
Something. Kick it on. Ow.
What? So I got this pretty sweet, like, portable hammock from my girlfriend for Christmas. And it's like you're supposed to tie it up on a tree. I want to go find a place to put it up somewhere today, like somewhere in the park, I guess, or in my backyard somehow. But yeah, I'll probably do that. If not, I don't know what I'll do. But right now I'm getting coffee and some food. Yes, I made it downstairs. The Keurig's heating up. So many varieties. Gotta take some trash out real quick. It didn't go out because it's trash day. Woo. There's my car. It's starting to rain out, so I don't think I'm gonna take that hammock out. I think I'll probably just stay inside today, watch some movies, play some video games. I don't know. So I just got done cleaning up inside, and I have nothing else better to do, so I'm gonna go split wood outside. All this footage was filmed on my old Canon PowerShot. Try to show you guys right here. This camera right here. That was my time lapse of splitting and stacking wood. I still got a little bit left to go, and then I'll head inside. I fast forwarded through the day. I only have 2 logs left to finish stacking all that wood, and that's pretty much it for